Hello everyone, this is AJ. I'm a digital marketer and creator of Digital Nuggets, and I'm proudly mentored by one of the greatest influencers of the marketing world. And now I'm helping people to create engaging content to scale up their business. So learn and grow with AJ only on Digital Nuggets.
Hello everyone, this is AJ and now today we are going to see how to create a basic Instagram post. So you can go for custom dimensions, you can just click on create a design tab bar, click Instagram post, or you can select your custom dimensions, or you can go instead of that bar to this search bar and type Instagram post. So we type Instagram post. You will see several results related to Instagram posts. Today we are going to see how to design a basic Instagram post. So now you can see there are pre-designed templates by Canva professionals. You can use these templates and modify them, but that thing we have already seen in a previous video. Today we are going to see how to design a post from scratch like this. So the first thing you need to do is add another page or take a blank page and choose your background color. Then you need to add some text. You can click on text bar, add a heading, and now we are trying to learn that how to design an Instagram post from scratch. So to learn this, we are going to try to make it a little bit better from the pre-designed templates. So we are adding a text, Uncle Jackson's birthday. You can stretch this bar to make it look aligned and a little bit similar from the pre-designed template. To change the color, you can select the text, click on font color, and you can choose your desired color. The next step we are going to do is add some basic subheadings or smaller size text. So you can click on add a subheading text bar. Remember to select the page where you want to add your elements and text. So click on add a subheading, remove that, and now let's say let's toast to 80 amazing years. Once you Once you type your desired text, you can change its font style, its alignment, its position. You can change its size, you can change its color. We'll little bit stretch this bar. Okay, so now it's on a single line. You can shrink it a little bit to make it similar to the template. So this is look a little bit similar to the template. Now to change the font style, you need to do is simply select the text, go on font styles, and choose your desired text style. Now we are going to shrink it a little bit. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so now we are going to see how to add some different elements to your post. So the element that the pre-designed template has is a beer glass. So we are going to provide some motion to our Instagram post. So for that, let's say we add some elements related to birthday party. Now we have several funky elements and several interesting elements out there on Canva. The thing you need to do is click on the element you need, and now you have that element on your design. So providing motion to any Instagram post makes it really engaging. And so the lines that you are seeing there post is because that it's only for users. But we have used free designs, so we will increase our motion graphic a little bit. Yeah, so now our Instagram post has some motion, and Canva has detected that due to this motion this post will be downloaded as a video. So if you want a static beer glass or a static wine glass, you can type just beer glasses, click on that, and you can choose your beer glasses. There are several different types, different color, different textures glasses available on Canva designs. You can select and choose your beer glass as you want. But now we are seeing that how to design an Instagram post for free with motion, because motion provides Instagram post really engaging. To add another text, let's say address and all that stuff. Click on add subheadings, and now you can add your text. So it's May 18th, 2020. By the way, the template that you are seeing just above this page is also designed by me, and now I'm trying to show you that how you can provide motions to your Instagram post. So that's May 18th, 2020, 4:30 p.m. Now you can type your address because invitations look okay. So now it's perfect because invitations look incomplete without an address. So you can change the font style again. Let's say we can take it like okay, classic. So another subheading, or let's say address of our Instagram post or birthday invitation is ready. The thing you need to do is make it aligned with the post. Okay, good. So now it's aligned, and you can see that there are some lines at the corner. So the thing that they've done is they just take some lines, duplicate it at a certain angle, and they created this design. So the thing we are going to do is design this parallelogram lookalike structure from scratch. The thing you need to do is add a new page, go on elements, type lines, select a line, that's the basic line, turn it at an angle of, let's say, 60 degree. Yeah, so yeah, that's approximately 60 degree, I guess. So we are going to rotate it at 60 degree angle. So now it is at 60 degree. Okay, perfect. So now we have taken it an angle. Now you need to do is press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it, and then press Shift plus up button or page up button to make it look alike or make it look parallel to the previous lines. So I'm just doing this Control D, Shift up, Control D, and Shift and up button, Control D, Shift and up button. So now we have a look alike design from the template. Now you can change the color, click on the color, and now you can go and select white color. Yeah, so that's white color. And if you want to change the color of, let's say, from gray to black, and you have several gray text, several gray color design, so the thing you need to do is click on white color, and you can go for change to all. You can simply click this, and now it's changed to all. The other way of doing this is that you can group them. So I just showed that how to group Canva designs in the previous video. So let's say you just select all your designs, press Ctrl plus G, and now they are grouped. So now you can click on color and click on white. So yeah, we have got our white lines, and now you need to do is click on this, press Ctrl X, or cut this design, paste it on your post. Perfect. And now you can drag it to the right bottom corner, and now our Instagram post has motions that look alike to the pre-designed templates by Canva professionals. We can now duplicate it and add another set of lines at the left top side of the Instagram post. And if you want that the number or RSVP to be same as the template, you can just click on the text, Control C, you can copy it and you can paste it on your Instagram post. So we'll just delete the page, and now you can see that the above template is a pre-designed template by Canva professionals, and the design that we have is really interesting and it has motions. So you can go on full screen and compare these both designs. So now our Instagram post has motion, so it looks really funky, it looks really interesting, and your audience or any people who are scrolling through Instagram will connect with your post. So now you can see that it's a video, and the lines that you are seeing there is just because it's for pro users. So you can click on publish, download it, or you can click on download, and it's video. it's a video. If you want to download as a post, you can go for png, that is high quality image, and choose page 1 if you want to go with tablet. And if you want to go with our design, you can click on page 2, and if you click on done, so it's showing that you need to pay and download it, and the cost is rupees 65. So you can do is, for Windows we have a tool which is called as snipping tool. So you can go for search bar of Windows, type snipping tool, you can go on snipping tool, click on new, and just select the area that you want to take as a screenshot. So it's just similar to the screenshot that we take on our phones, but I would not prefer you to take this post as a screenshot. Why? Because okay, so let's say we go for save as capture one and click on save. But I would not prefer you to do that, because you can see these lines on that bare glass. That is for pro users of Canva. So this is not a good thing for a design. There should not be any watermark if you are designing an engaging Instagram post. So this is what we have designed, and you can click on publish, download it as a video. So now you can see that there is no pen download because it's completely free design. It has motions, it does look funky, it's look very interesting. You can click on download and your design will be prepared in just a few seconds. Yeah, so your design is prepared. You can view it, you can view a video, and you can again change the designs templates as you want. So this video was all about creating a basic Instagram post for free.